Let's take a look at sight reading exercise number 1 of Unit 2 of our Older Beginner Level 1 Piano Safari book. The first thing that we want to do whenever we're looking at a sight reading exercise is some analysis. So the first thing I want you to do is color our treble clef red and our bass clef blue so that you remember which hand is playing in each exercise. Then mark in your starting landmark notes. So here we have finger 2 on treble G, and here we have finger 2 on bass C. So you can fill in both of those. Now we're going to check for sames versus steps. So this exercise only has stepping notes and same notes. In other words, notes that are side by side on the keyboard or notes that are exactly the same on the keyboard. We don't have any skips or leaps or anything like that to worry about. Now, as we're looking at the notes, make sure that you are focused in on the circle part of the note and not the stem part of the note. The stem direction can be deceiving. That's not something we probably learned yet, but it can go up and down and so forth, but that doesn't mean that the notes are necessarily going up and down. Okay, so we go from this line note, which is treble G, up to the space. So those two are different. They're steps. We're not going to highlight them. We're just going to look for some sames to highlight. So we're going to go line, space, line, space, line, line. Okay, so these two are the same. They're both on that treble G line. Oh, it looks like we've got another one and another one. So we're just going to highlight all those together so we see that they're all the same. Oh, and we have a fifth one all in a row. Line, space, line, 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 line. Okay, so those are all kind of a bit of a pattern here. So I'm looking here, this one kind of goes stepping up, down, and this one goes stepping up, down, and then here this one's same, 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 and so is this one. Same, 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 same. So really we're doing the same thing twice. We're doing it to there, and then we're doing it again. Okay, now the left-hand pattern looks kind of similar. This one goes stepping up and then down. This one goes stepping down and then up. And then same, same, same. Okay, so not quite identical to the right-hand exercise, but kind of similar. Space, line, space, line, space, space, space. So those are the same. Line, 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 those are the same. And then a space, that's different. Now the question above, how many measures have only unisons? Unisons, fancy word for sames. So how many measures have only same notes? That's 1, 2, 3, 4 total. So we can fill that in. Okay, so once you have that all highlighted up, then we're going to try sight reading each of those exercises on the piano, and then we will finish off by clapping this. And let's see. Yeah, we'll come back actually, and we'll write in the counting of that clapping before we attempt to clap it. Okay, so right hand, finger 2, treble G, and as you might recall, middle C is right here, treble G is just 1 G above that middle C. So we're going to go G, up, up, down, down, same, 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 up, down, same, 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 same. And then the double bar line means that exercise is complete. Now we'll try the bass clef one. So left hand finger 2, bass C. So that's 1 C lower than middle C. C, down, down, up, same, same, stepping down, down, same, same, and down again. 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to go back and figure out the rhythm at the bottom. So the rhythm at the bottom here is not meant to be played on the piano, though if you like, you can use this rhythm to improvise your own melody. The reason we can tell that is because it doesn't have a staff, it doesn't have any finger numbers, it's just straight rhythm. Okay, so what I'd like you to do for this is write in the tas and the TTs. T, 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 ta, ta, and then ta. 2, 3, 4. And it looks like it kind of repeats the beginning part. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. And last one, we can call it a ta, ta, 2, whatever you prefer. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this on the screen here and point to it while I tap it, just on this hard part of my piano. 1, 2, ready, go. T, 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 ta, ta, ta. 2, 3, 4. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. 2. And that first exercise is complete.